Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing and enabling the Cookie Editor extension, then open the website you want to inspect. Click the extension icon to pull up the cookie list. This shows domains, paths, names, values, expirations, and flags. Once done, switch to Developer or Advanced mode if the extension offers it, because that exposes raw attributes and editing controls. Make sure to grant site access when prompted so you can read and modify cookies directly. Now, select an existing cookie to change its value, or click Add to create a new cookie for testing. Edit domain and path precisely so the browser will apply it. Choose Secure and HTTP only flags appropriately, and set expiry using ISO format or epoch seconds for accuracy. Once you have the desired cookies, export the set as JSON or CSV to save your changes, or copy a single cookie value to the clipboard for debugging and other tools. Finally, press Save or Apply to write cookie changes, then reload the page to let the site read the new values. If you need to revert, use Import to load a saved JSON or CSV backup and overwrite current cookies. If the edits don't take effect, make sure the cookie domain and path match the site, clear the browser cache, and temporarily disable other privacy or security extensions that might block cookie writes. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.